Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to enable or disable app notifications on Windows 10. So we've all been there before, and some programs, if you use a lot of programs on your computer, will deliver a lot of alerts, some of which might be unnecessary or undesired. So in this tutorial I'll be showing how to disable these notifications, either for specific programs or for all programs together. So we're going to start by heading over to our start menu, and we're going to left click on that, and then we're going to left click on settings here, and then we're going to left click on system on the system tile to be exact. Near the top here, right underneath display, there's a notifications and action section. You want to left click on that. If you scroll down on this right side here, you can actually underneath show app notifications. If it's in the on position, you can left click on this oval and it will disable all app notifications. If you also want to disable all tips about Windows, you can toggle that to the off position as well. If for some reason you want to have some apps give you notifications, you can leave this in the on position and then just scroll down further on the page here, and you can see that when we toggle it in the on and off position up here, it'll just do it for both of these applications down there. So if we keep it in the on position up on the top for the master setting, we could actually customize it down here. So let's say we want to have our OneDrive notifications enabled, but we want to disable our Microsoft Office click to run. So I could disable that and keep our OneDrive notifications active. And then once you're done customizing your settings to the way you want them, you do not need to click on save or anything like that. You can just simply close out of the settings window and you should be good to go. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.